SQUEAKS turns low-cost LED TVs into a powerful visual communication system, improving decision-making and results. SQUEAKS TV gives you the ability to tune into what matters most, with displays that can be hung in the office and on the shop floor, keeping everyone on the same page while driving teamwork and action. SQUEAKS TV puts you in control of your digital factory, giving you the power to tune into what's important. With personalized dashboards that provide real-time, at-a-glance feedback on performance relative to goal in the areas of production efficiency, schedule attainment, and machine health, for example. HTML pages and web apps can be easily integrated into SQUEAKS TV to communicate concerns such as safety and OSHA priorities, environmental compliance, product quality and process control trends, and analytics from Microsoft Power BI. SQUEAKS TV allows you to monitor equipment remotely with live video streams from IP cameras that pinpoint problems based on real-time triggers from the shop floor, along with a built-in weather app that keeps your employees informed on concerning weather conditions. And with SQUEAKS TV, you can create and share company announcements on your screens in seconds and incorporate additional information in a scrolling marquee. While out-of-the-box modules keep the configuration of and-on views as easy as drag and drop, allowing you to create engaging displays in no time. The layout, size of the windows, and data sources that feed these views are totally user-configurable. These layouts and channel rotation can change based on the time of day, schedules, or factory floor events that can trigger pop-ups that draw attention to conditions that require immediate attention. You can even change the channel or playlist via the app on your phone. With SQUEAKS TV, you get out-of-the-box connectivity to all of your data sources at no extra charge. And SQUEAKS keeps you connected wherever you are by extending the same information visible on the TVs to mobile and wearable devices with native apps for Apple and Android technologies. SQUEAKS TV can run in the cloud or on-premise. You choose. SQUEAKS TV. Tune in to what's important. For more information on how SQUEAKS is transforming plant communication, please visit us at squeaks.com.